Guys, let's talk about faith of a mustard seed. Disciples couldn't cast out an unclean spirit out of a certain individual, and Yeshua said unto them, because of your unbelief, if you had faith as the grain of a mustard seed, you could say to this mountain, be removed, and it would obey you. When Peter walks on water, and then he sinks because he focused on his surroundings, the strong winds and the storms, he then sinks. And Yahushua says unto him, O ye of little faith. That was the reason why he sunk, because he had little faith. We understand that a mustard seed is a very, very small seed. But what is Yahushua saying to us when he says, if ye have faith as the grain of a mustard seed? It's not about the size of faith, because the size of faith can have you drowning like Peter. It's about the type of faith. So let's look into the type of a mustard seed. Now let's look into the mustard seed. Yes, mustard seeds develop exceptionally aggressive and intensive root system compared to many other seeds, particularly because they are rapid growing annuals that need to establish themselves quickly. While seed itself is tiny, it can produce a tap root that exceeds 1 to 3 feet below the soil surface, and in dry conditions, it can even reach 5 feet to find water. That tiny little seed. Guys, now this is a taproot. You see that strong root? That's the taproot. But look what the mustard seed does. It bears off. It roots off deep and has a solid, strong foundation. That's what the mustard seed does. And that's why the mustard seed is so resilient in all types of conditions. Now, we've learned that the mustard seed, it develops extremely fast and aggressively, and its roots bear down inwards aggressively and spread far, very fast. So think about this in the human body. Now we have a mustard seed planted on our heart. What is that mustard seed going to do? It's going to grow inwards, and it's going to root itself all deep within your body, all over your body, and its foundation is going to be strong, solid and unbreakable, because it's going to root itself all over your body, everywhere inside of you. And guys, that's the type of faith that we need. We need to be deeply rooted with a solid foundation, unbreakable in all conditions. That is what Yahushua is talking about. If we have this type of faith, we can do all things. We can do all things, move mountains. We can do all things through HaMashiach, who strengthens us, because he is our water to the deep roots that are rooted, embedded all over our bodies, and they cannot be broken. Amen. Praise the Most High God.